In this video, I'll show you how you can fix nvidia GeForce. A supported game is required to use this feature. Now first what you want to do is open up GeForce Experience. And what you want to do once it's opened up is you want to head over to settings right here. In settings, go to General, enable experimental features. So simply click on this one and wait for it to download. It takes 1 minute or something. Not even a minute, it should be done now. Then what you want to do is come down here and make sure you have in-game overlay activated. So activate in-game overlay as well. You might have to wait for this one before you can activate it, and then restart your GeForce Experience. Now once you've restarted and you have it activated and in-game overlay is on, what you want to do is you want to head over to drivers, check for updates right by clicking here. If you already have the latest update, what you can do is click here and press reinstall driver. Now after that, what you want to do is head down here and search for services. In here you want to look for something called nvidia display. So search for N and look for nvidia display container. Double click on this, make sure it's on automatic and make sure it's running. If it says stop, just press start and head over to this one, nvidia local system, and do the exact same. Automatic and running. Now once you've done this, it should hopefully work for you, but if it doesn't, a simple thing you can try and do is just reopen the game where you're having the issue with. After you've done all of this, you should restart your PC and hopefully it should work after that. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.